Check out this hailstorm. Our customer's vehicle was parked in this very parking lot, and we never get photos or videos of what caused the dents that we work on. So this was really cool that our customer was able to take this video and send it to us. So this is a Cadillac XT5. And as you'll see, we've got some hail damage on the hood, and we'll stop it here for a second so you'll know what you're looking for. You can see those 3 little spots there. Because this vehicle was peppered with hail damage on multiple panels, our customer decided to file a claim with their insurance company, and we worked with them. Sometimes people contact us with hail damage and they don't file a claim, but we want you to know that we're very comfortable working with insurance companies, and we're happy to help you through that process if that's the route you take. So Barton circled all the dents. It just makes it easier for us to show you the amount of damage that was on the vehicle. So the roof, the lift gate, and every panel on the driver's side was affected. And we're talking both doors, the quarter panel, the rail, the trim pieces above and below the windows, even the fender. And then we have the hood. And what really can I say about the hood? The amount of circles really does speak for itself. That hood took the brunt of the damage, and they're not large dents, but still very obvious hail damage. Anytime you know a storm's coming, or if you happen to be out and about when a storm hits, we encourage you to try to get to cover as quickly as you can. You never know what sized ice is going to fall from the sky. So we removed the hood for this repair, and when you call us with just a few dents on your hood, there's a really good chance we'll just repair it while it's still on the vehicle. But with hail damage, and this particular hood, by the way, had more than 40 dents on it. Really, the best way to repair it is just to remove it from the vehicle so we'll have better access, because we need to get behind every dent. And like I mentioned, those trim pieces got banged up, so we ordered new ones and installed them for the customer. Our customer was so happy with the final result. She carefully inspected everything and was so thrilled to have it looking like new again. So whether you've got hail damage, door dings, dents, even dents on body lines, reach out to us. We're a mobile PDR company that's family owned and operated, and we'd love to help make your vehicle look great again. So contact us today at Coastal Excellence Mobile Dent Repair. You'll see that excellence really does matter to us in all that we do.